Good afternoon, gentlemen. How are you today?
Hi. We are good, thanks. We are here to check out the sale.
We have a great sale on. 50% off most items in the store.
Look at all this great stuff. Seed, pasta, veggies. This is making me hungry. What should we get, Carl?
Franco, stop trying to eat it. You have to pay for it first. Franco, stop eating the signage! You are embarrassing me.
Sir, there is cardboard you can buy to chew.
I prefer seed.
Franco! Don't worry, we will clean it up, ma'am.
Oh no! What a mess! Are you going to pay for that?
Yes. We will eat it first.
Okay. I hope you do pay for it.
That was delicious.
So will you pay for the seed now, gentlemen?
Yes.
Nah. I don't think so.
What?
Bye.
Franco!
Come back! You have to pay for the seed you ate. How rude! Flying off without paying. Leaving a mess for me to clean up too. What rascals!
A short time later.
What are you doing back? Are you going to steal something else?
No. I came back to apologize and pay you.
Thank you. I appreciate you coming back to pay.
Here we go. 2 feathers.
Thanks, bye. Come again but pay first please.
Bye. Have a nice day.